Hey guys, Ken from Today's Technical Connect, and today we're going to make this light switch turn into this, an LED Wi-Fi switch here on Today's Technical Connect. Alright, so I got these dim light switches from Amazon. They are the perfect item, guys. I got a 4-gang. It works with Amazon Alexa, it works with Google Home. These things are great, and we're going to install them today. So let me show you what's inside the box. The links are in the description, guys. So here's the switch. You have 4 wires: a ground, your live, your neutral, and your hot wire. It also comes with a wiring diagram for easy installation, guys, and some handy dandy wire labels so you know which wire is which. Lights on. So what you first have to do is find your electric box in the house and make sure you shut off the power, guys. This is very important. You know, I'm not an electrician, but I know that you would definitely have to do this if you don't want to get shocked. So we're going to shut this guy off, and now we can continue to work. Luckily I had this LED light from previous videos, so I'm going to light up the work area here with this. And if you guys like that light switch, I could also put a link in the description below. So first thing I'm doing is taking the cover off the switch with a flathead screwdriver. Pretty simple and self-explanatory. Next, I'm taking off the 2 screws that are on the switches. I pull these guys out just to expose what wiring is inside there. After I take the electrical tape off, you notice that they don't have the ground wire hooked up, only the load and the hot wire. So I'm going to connect it the same way. And I could not get this job done without this guy right here. This is an electrical voltage tester, and it worked wonders on this. I'm going to have links in the description below for this, guys. It has an LED flashlight, and it'll blink red if there's a lot of power in the circuit. As you can see, I'm testing the lines. There's no red blinking, there's no sound, so we're good. So now that I know that there's no electricity, I'm going to unscrew both of those wires. The black goes to the hot wire, the red goes to the load wire, the white goes to the neutrals, and like I said, I'm going to keep the green off for now, just for the sake of the video. Again, guys, not an electrician, but this is what it calls for. So then you go to the power box, you turn the power back on, and hopefully the lights will come back on as well. And there we go. So hard part's done. Now we have to screw the new light switch back into the wall socket. And when the plate is on and I turn the light on, this is what it looks like. It also has a touch dimmer control. So you need the Smart Life app to install this onto the phone. You can either do an auto scan or you can do a manual scan. If you want to do a manual scan, you hit the plus button and it gives you all types of categories of what you can put on. So you pick your switch, you join it to your Wi-Fi device, and it gives you directions on how to fill up everything else. It's going to look for your device after the countdown is done and it's connected. Then it's going to be time to name your device. Then hit done and you're all set. You are now connected to your light switch wirelessly from your phone, or you can manually use it You can dim it from the phone, you can turn it on or off from the phone, and this is a great item, guys. Great weekend project, and you don't have to be an electrician to do this. You can also set schedules for when you want it to turn off or turn on. It's a great item, guys. So I hope you like it. If you got any enjoyment or information out of this, don't forget to hit subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.